Potato soup is simple, but simple is not the same as easy to get right. Too thin, too gluey, too bland, I've had them all. So today we're doing it exactly the way it should be done. Velvety texture, clean flavor, and no guessing. This is a recipe you'll definitely want to try. Let's begin. Start by cutting 3 large or 4 small potatoes into roughly 2-inch pieces. That's about 500 to 550 grams after peeling. Next, roughly chop half a medium or 1 small onion. And then with the flat of your knife, smash 3 cloves of garlic. If you prefer a different method, you can mince them by hand or use a garlic press, whatever works for you. Now measure out 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 chicken bouillon cube, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Having these measured and ready prevents any errors once we start cooking. Place a large pot over medium-low heat, then add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. When the oil is hot, add 1 chicken breast. Brown the chicken on both sides, then add in the onion and garlic and sauté for about 1 minute. Now add in all the spices and a 1/4 cup of hot water. Let this all cook till the onion is translucent. Okay, now add the potatoes and 4 more cups of hot water. Stir everything together real well and turn the heat to high. When it comes to a boil, place the lid on the pot and turn the heat to low. Let this simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the potatoes are fully cooked. Remove the chicken from the pot and shred it with a fork or cut it into small pieces, then set that aside. Now, let's add a half a cup of heavy cream and a 1/4 cup of shredded cheddar to the pot. Blend everything together until it's nice and smooth. This is the consistency you're looking for. Add about 3/4 of the shredded chicken back into the pot and give it a good stir. Now we're ready to serve. Top it with some of the extra shredded chicken. You can even add a drizzle of cream or some parsley, whatever you prefer. If you followed this exact recipe, you now have a perfect and incredibly flavorful potato soup. That's the ooh la la way. No guesswork, just clean, repeatable results. So hit that like button and subscribe to join us. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. See you next time.